Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another unboxing video today. Today we're going to be unboxing a display box of the new Ghosts from the Past set of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game. So for those who don't know, this set just came out yesterday, and it's already making a pretty big splash in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Community because of the possible ghost rares you can pull. So I don't know if we're going to get a ghost rare, but so let's go ahead and open this up. And those look nice. I already removed the shrink wrap from these, so that way we could skip that step, but look at that. I love that box, that chrome box. That's really cool. So each of these little boxes comes with 3 packs of 5 cards. So in total, in a display box, you're gonna be getting you're gonna get 15 packs. So it's not a whole lot for what you're paying for it, but oh, there's a little sticker here. Okay, sorry, trying to get that. There we go. It's nice to see they took the liberty of making sure that the boxes are store the cards well. Anyway, so there's a small possibility you could pull a ghost rare. Otherwise, all the cards in this set are ultra rare foils. Sunvine Gardna, Lava Vol Dragon, or Laval Vol Dragon, my bad. Heretic Seal from the Ashes, Sieryu. Oh, that's cool. I like that they made an ultra rare Sieryu. Heretic Seal of Creation. So that's first pack. Let's see. Rare Metal Foes, Bismugear, Artifact, Durandal, Evil Thorn, Resonator Call, and Son of Alan Drynome. Alright, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm having a hard time pronouncing some of these card names. Salamangrate Foul, Terror of Trishula, Metal Foes, Volflame, Recover, and Dragoonity Whirlwind. So, okay, that's one box. Next box. So I really don't like how they pack these. You gotta risk damaging the cards just to get the packs out. I will say that I like the artwork on the packs, though. Molten Conduction Field, Fairy Tale Roachka, Sunvine Healer, Time Thief Startup, the Stalos, the Mega Monarch. That's a cool It's a cool one. I don't think I had that. Sunseed Twins. Son of Alan Bloom. Hieratic Seal of Reflection. Resonator Engine. And Starry Night Ceremony. Hieratic Seal of, what's this say? Convocation. Medulce. I'm trying to figure out how to pronounce this. Something rather, I give up. Cosmojo, Metalful Steelin, and Hell Shadow Hollow. Alrighty, next box. Medulce Pudding Cess, Time Thief Winder, Dragoonity Phalanx, Mask Change, and another Thalos the Mega Monarch. Let's see, Royal Prison, Backup Secretary, Metalful's Gold Driver, Time Thief Flyback, Dragoonity Armagram. I gotta be honest, I'm kind of hoping to pull an Arm Dragon level 10, because you can get that in this set. So kind of hoping to pull one of those. Laval Volcano, Handmaiden, Fairy Tale Tales, Starry Night Blast, Hieratic King of Autumn. Whoa, hello! Ladies and gentlemen, we pulled ourselves a ghost rare. So hold on, I'm gonna put that in the sleeve. Ghost Rare Firewall Dragon. That is a big pull. I definitely just made my entire investment on this box back. Imagine if we got 2 Ghost Rares in one box. Yeah, I know, right? Keep dreaming. It's just that a guy can dream. Salvage, Time Thief Bezel Ship, Time Thief Retrograde, Son of Alan Dryades, and Son of Alan Dry Gnome. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing a lot of these. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm usually a lot better at this. Dragoonity Quiblet. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to give up on pronouncing them. I'm just going to let you guys see the cards as I pull them. Ooh, a new Medulce Link monster. That's cool. The always fun Gear Town. Yes, then that's my assistant, Luna. My assistant and roomie. Alrighty, last box. Time Thief Redoer, Danger Thunderbird, Metal Foe Counter, Miracle Synchro Fusion, Time Thief Adjuster. Well, I actually kind of wanted that one, so. Dolce Chateau, Salaman Great Falcon, Metal Foe Fusion. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen that card in a while. Last pack. I know, Luna. Hold on. Alright, so total we managed to pull a ghost rare. So that's awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching and opening these packs along with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Peace out, and as always, may the force be with you.